Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DR Build.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how I made these towel shelves. I have most of the materials in my garage, and this is going to make sure that I have towels in the bathroom. If you haven't, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps our channel to grow, and let's get started.
One thing that I learned about this type of projects is like you need to make sure that you buy nice wood. I went to the local hardware store and I got some wood that it wasn't like the one that is usually on the shelves for construction. And as you can see, I gave it a good sand as well because I wanted to make sure that it had a nice professional look. If I still have your attention, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel to grow, and I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much.
Okay, so I think it's pretty much done. I'm gonna stain it and then I'm gonna let it sit for a few days because I don't want that to be on the towels, and it looks amazing. I really like it.
Alright guys, so I got it done. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time for the next video. So have a good day.